I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this TV stand. You could use this as a TV stand, or you could use it as a side table or end table. Really like this a lot. One of my favorite parts about this, easy assembly. It literally took maybe 3 minutes to put together. You're literally just, it comes exactly like this. You screw the bottom down here, screw the top over here into there, put the pole inside, you're good to go. Screw the wheels on the bottom. This does swivel 360. You do have wheels on this right over here. I have this on a carpet right now. You see it goes pretty smoothly on that, which is nice. So you could easily store this as well. This top piece right over here is heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about that. The reason this is going like this is because I'm trying to demo this, and when it's tight like that, you'll see it doesn't move now. So this is how you adjust it. We might as well just go into the adjusting right now. To adjust it, you could take this right over here, put this down just like that, and you could go as low as 17 and as high as 34. I really like this one too. I bought some other ones to test, and the other ones have these like little like nudges, and you have to push it in and pull it down. This one allows you to get any height you want. So for example, if you want it super high, the highest it could go, you can put it all the way up like that. You'll see here, if you want to take this out for easier storage, you could do that as well. But this allows you to get the perfect height because you're not almost predetermined by a bracket. So in another one, you could only use the settings that they give you. This one, you could get an exact setting that you want. So this could hold up to 50 pounds on top of here. You can see here, this is a laptop right over here. So plenty of space over here. You kind of get a phone on here just to get some idea. You could easily get a remote control on here as well. Let's put, if you wanted to eat on this, you get this is a 9-inch plate right over here. You could just put that right over there. This is a water bottle, so you could easily put that there. You could see here, if I'm like kind of trying to cut or something like that, pretty sturdy, which I also appreciate as well. This is also, you kind of have like a little bevel over here, so you don't have to worry about stuff falling off or anything like that. If you have a tablet right over here, you can see here, that's what it looks like there if you kind of want to watch something up like that. It also could function as an end table. Now, this could also, if you wanted to put this kind of like on the side of your couch or something like that, you could easily just slide this under, just like that, with no problem at all. It's easy to move. This is super lightweight. If you wanted to kind of do it on the side, we have a fridge here, so I wouldn't do that, but it could slide under on the side as well, which makes it super versatile. It does come in different styles as well, so you get different colors if you're not like into this color. This top right here is heat resistant as well. I wouldn't go putting like a hot frying pan on it, but if you're worried about like, you don't have to worry about eating on this or anything like that. Really easy. So if you are looking for a great TV tray that's easy to assemble, looks really nice, you can adjust it anywhere from 17 to 34 inches, and you don't have to worry about a bracket to kind of lock you in. You get the perfect height that you want. Super sturdy. This is heat resistant, can hold up to 50 pounds, super easy to assemble. Overall, really happy with this one. Been using it now for almost 2 weeks now and really like it. So if you're looking for a great TV tray, end table, side table, this could definitely be nice in a bedroom too. If you have like, if you're short on space, because you could easily just push that in just like that if you wanted to. So if you're looking for something great, easy to assemble, super solid, comes in different colors, definitely check this one out. I absolutely love it.